Hello. I would like to inform my fans that I'm not a part of the NUMA award. I saw my name has been nominated, but I'm not participating this year and never again due to some of the the glitches in how the organizers do their thing. So I would like to officially withdraw forever. Like, I don't want to be nominated anymore for NUMA award, and I would like to kindly ask my fans to share my votes with those that deserves it, because I'm not going to be a part of the NUMA music award, like the NUMA thing. I'm not a part of it. So alegu ni utima kija kachagwa na disappointing jomukene ento an ni chake mwara ari aderangech da waja tini ba mi be part of NUMA. I don't want any nominations. I don't want to be part of anything to do with NUMA. So do not waste your time voting for me, but you can give your votes to those that deserves. Matidan Madwata, Nano Klexby, there's BP, there's who, all those people, they deserve the vote. So please kindly give your votes to them, but don't vote for me. And I would like to request the organizers to withdraw my name from that. Thank you so much.